Hi, I'm Ursula. I'm a senior and I'm the house chair of Noyes. Today I'll show you my room and some of the house. Okay, so this is our common room. We have some games and some books. We have the lamp. Here's where we have coffee hour. There's some places for people to work. We have this place, like it's a little game that we got for the house. And yeah, this is usually where we have our house meetings. So we also have this really nice living room area. It's like a baby common room, and then it directs you downstairs. I'm actually really happy with my room this term. So this is my room. I have a huge window. I love this window. And a lamp that was given to me by a friend. A lot of art pieces. Some of them are made by friends of mine. Some of them are gifts. Some of them are prints. Most of them are prints by artists from Vermont, or my friends. And then I do have some things from art pieces from home that I have here. Yeah, here's my open closet. And yeah, I like to make it part of this whole thing. I also have plants, of course. So, hold on. Each bathroom in Noyes is the same. We have the shower and then the toilet. We have a sink that is not particularly clean right now, but bear with us. It's a Wednesday, guys. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Usually you will close the door when you're using the bathroom. But yeah. If we go this way, we have the kitchen. We have our, what is this called? We have our sink. We have our community fridge. And then we have like a common area. Honestly, the common area here is not as used as the living room upstairs. And we got wait, I have an idea for a table. And this is our laundry room. We got one washer and one dryer. Walk with me to the main entrance. We have the back door. Thank you for coming to Noyes. See you! And this was the house tour of Noyes. Goodbye!